What's going on, guys? Kevin Pack here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best launch strategy for Amazon FBA. This is basically how I've launched my products. We're going to go in and we're going to talk about this and what you need to get started on selling products on Amazon. And to give myself some credentials, I'm going to show you guys my sales in the last 12 months. Boom, over $500,000 in the last 12 months so far. We are just getting out of Q1, finishing up March. So that's gonna be, I'm just excited to get out of this because it's like the slowest season of the year, slowest time of the year for my business. And I have a couple products that are actually sold out right now. So I need them to come in and they need a pickup. But I'm excited for this year, and there are so many more products that I'm gonna be launching this year that I wanna also share with you guys some of the strategies that I use. Now, there's a lot of different methods out there on how you can basically launch a product. You can use Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer marketing. You can also do giveaways, rebate key and stuff like that. But I don't like to do any of that. I like to stay right at the core of what I'm doing and take advantage of Amazon itself. Now, if you don't already know, Amazon has its own advertising platform called PPC, pay per click, and I think that is the best method to launching your product. You don't need external traffic. All you need is Amazon home base, and that is it. Now, you can't expect when you list your product that it's just gonna start making sales. You actually need to take action and do the launch itself and have a strategy and have a game plan. And the way to do this is using Amazon's PPC platform. You can't just let it sit there and expect sales to just start coming in unless you have an amazing product. If you have an amazing product, sometimes I've heard of stories where people list their product and they just start making sales without any PPC. I wish that was me, but that's not me. And I'm pretty sure that's gonna be probably most of you, so we're gonna go through this. So when it comes to launching with Amazon PPC, you need to understand three things. There are three different types of campaigns that you can use on Amazon. Actually, there's like 5, but we're gonna start with 3 first, which is a broad match campaign, a phrase match campaign, and exact match campaign. The additional ones are automatic and product targeting campaigns as well, but we're gonna get to those later. Now, the main thing with these main 3 campaigns, which is broad, phrase, match, is that you are manually targeting keywords that you are choosing for Amazon to display yourself for, right? And this is the key to launching your product, is making sure that you know the keywords that you want to target. Look into your competitors and see what keywords they're using. Look into your different software tools to see what are the related keywords to a single keyword that you're searching for. So say, for example, we're using a beach ball. We're gonna have red beach ball, blue beach ball for the summer, beach ball for kids, beach ball for men, something like that. So the single search of beach ball is gonna give you a bunch of different search terms, and you wanna use that and utilize that for your product to start making these campaigns. You take those keywords that you've done research for, and then you throw them into a broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Now, there's not anything that's better or worse. There's a misconception that broad or phrase or exact, they're like, one of them are better than the other, and there's not. You have to utilize them all to your arsenal, okay? You have to use them wisely and strategically, but you do have to use your manual campaigns. Now, an easy campaign that you can also set up from the get-go is an automatic campaign. And this automatic campaign just basically does everything for you. It's Amazon's way of, hey, I'm gonna put your product in whatever I think is gonna work well for your product. Sometimes it does well, sometimes it doesn't, but you do have to optimize it later. And then product targeting are campaigns where you're actually targeting specific other competitors, right? But you don't need to do this from the get-go. You can use product targeting once you've gathered more data about who you convert well against on your competitors. So if you're showing up for one competitor's listing and you're making a bunch of sales from their listing, that's free traffic for you, and that's good. Then you know that you could use them as a campaign to make sales from. But if you don't have any data, you can't really do that. So stick to just the keywords. Now, I always recommend people to do this. When your inventory is in, I always suggest run an automatic campaign first. Just put that up, let that gather some data and pick up some sales and see what keywords are you naturally coming up for. What is Amazon organically putting you up for? Are you being targeted for the right keywords? And then once you have maybe some reviews and you've tweaked up your listing, then this is where we're going to start launching your manual campaigns. You're going to start throwing in your broad, your phrase, and your exact match campaigns, targeting specific campaigns or keywords, I should say, and putting more money into that. Your budget depends on you. Typically, each of my campaigns, I like to start between $10 and $30, depending on how aggressive I want to go with that. But using PPC to launch your product is the best method to go. And I do go in depth about how to set your bid, how to optimize, how to find these keywords. A lot of high value strategies go into PPC that I have in my mentorship program. So if you guys are interested in learning my PPC strategies, go ahead and check the link in the description. Shameless plug, I know, shameless plug. I do have a program. It's because I really love teaching people and helping people grow their business, because they help me and I'll help you guys. So these launch strategies that I've used in the program has helped me build my company to multiple six figures, to over $500,000 per year. So that's pretty awesome. They clearly work. And these strategies are going to be detailed dialing. We're going to be on my computer setting up the campaigns and telling you how to adjust the bids, what your daily bids should be, and a lot of other secret strategies like day parting and things like that. So a lot of different things that are awesome in there. But the main takeaway from this video is that if you want to launch your product effectively on Amazon, use Amazon PPC. You do not need external traffic for this, and you do not need influencer marketing, or you don't need to do giveaways. All you need is some organic sales and some PPC to help with that as well. So that is how you launch your product in 2021. That's the best way to do it, and it's the only way to do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you gained a lot of value out of this. As always, go ahead, like the video, subscribe for more content, go make that money, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.